Hi there, this is Marie T. Russell. Welcome to the audio version of this week's InnerSelf Magazine. Our inner self welcomes your inner self. This week, we reflect on repairing the world. But since all change must start within, we look at repairing or balancing our own self, and then that carries out into the world with our thoughts, intentions, and actions. Not only must we repair, but we also must focus on prevention, on how to stop things from breaking and deteriorating any further. As practiced in holistic medicine, the focus is, first and foremost, on prevention. It is best to keep something healthy and balanced and thus avoid having to fix it. Thus, we start our reflection with what self-care looks like. It's not a to-do list. Excerpted from the book, Be You, Only Better, written by Kristi Hugstad. The article focuses on 5 types of self-care, ranging from the physical to the financial. We then continue with Jude Bijou, author of Attitude Reconstruction, who presents us with 5 steps to get out of your funky attitude. We've all experienced how difficult it is to move forward and to feel joy when down in the dumps. So the first step in repairing our world is to repair our attitude. These 5 steps can be used for other situations in life, not just our mood or attitude. Wendy Tamis Robbins, author of The Box, brings us along on her journey to free herself from obsessive-compulsive disorder and panic attacks in What Michelangelo Taught Me, Freedom from Fear and Anxiety. She introduces 4 steps that helped her repair and release her fear and anxiety. Unfortunately, many of us have been broken early in life. Maureen St. Germain, author of Beyond the Flower of Life, assists us in clearing the residue of an abusive, unloving parent. She shares a simple and powerful process to rewrite and repair the memories and insecurities that were embedded in us at a young age. And just as we attend to healing our own self from pain, trauma, old beliefs, etc., so must we repair the outside world. A very basic place to start is with our personal belongings, fixing them rather than throwing them out. And of course, this concept applies to relationships and life situations as well. Martine Postma, founder and director of Repair Cafe International Foundation, recounts the birth and growth of Repair Cafes, a worldwide movement of passionate volunteers. There are numerous things, places, situations, attitudes, etc. that need healing and can be repaired. The first step is to start with ourselves, with love, not with judgment and blame, and then spread that same healing energy of love, forgiveness, acceptance to the world on the outside of us as well. The repair tactics offered in the aforementioned featured articles can be modified and applied to life as a whole. As with anything, we start with the will and the intention, and then let our love and intuition guide us to what needs to be done next. We trust you will enjoy this week's edition of InnerSelf Magazine and its featured articles. For over 30 years, we at InnerSelf have sought to encourage new attitudes and new possibilities. For more inspiration, visit us at InnerSelf.com. Thank you.